Today I am going to tell you about the most popular retro bike of Kawasaki. You know, this bike's name is W230. Basically, it is a new edition of 2025. Really, I fall in love to see this bike's outlook. This bike's outlook is simple, but this outlook is different from other retro bikes. Especially this bike's weight distribution is good because while you will ride the bike, you feel it is very lightweight. So, I think for the city ride, this will be best for you. 4-stroke single cylinder SOYC 2 valves air cooled in the bike's engine can be found. Although the bike's cooling system is air cooled, but there is not any major heating issue. Engine displacement is 233 cc. Truly, according to the engine displacement, this cooling system is needed to be well cooled. I hope next time the company will fix this issue. To the bike's transmission, you will get 6-speed and return shift. This gear shifter is smooth, so you will get a comfortable ride to the bike. But I think this bike's torque delivery capability is low. It needs to be more because max torque is 14 lb-ft at 5800 rpm. It is another issue of this bike. The braking system has no complaints. The anti-lock braking system has been used and that works well on any road. The front tire size is 90 and the rear tire size is 110. According to a 230cc retro bike, these two tire sizes are enough. The bike has pros and cons. I will discuss this in my other specific video.